Hi, this is James Watson. I've had a number of requests recently from people to move the installation of their WordPress blog from /blog on their domain to the main root domain, i.e. the main.com entry page to their website. So this is a quick video to show you how to do that, and also at the same time to move your Killer Squeeze page from your main.com domain to .com/offer.html. So we're effectively swapping around your opt-in, your squeeze page, and your WordPress blog, so that your blog is your main content management, the main thing that people see when they come to your general website. So in order to do that, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use an example of Jonathan Driver, who currently has his squeeze page at jonathandriver.com. And actually what I'm going to do is we're going to, first of all, I'm going to rename this file. So I'm going to do that by going into the control panel, and within Jonathan's control panel I'm actually going to click on File Manager and click on Web Root, because what we want to do is we want to select the right domain, and actually jonathandriver.com is the main domain that Jonathan used when he installed his account. So that's his main domain. These are additional, what are called add-on domains here. So we actually make sure that we're at the top level domain here, and the index.html file is the one that relates to jonathandriver.com. Now the index.html, any file that's called that, your browsers will recognize it and will display it as the main page on your website. So in order to change that, first of all we need to rename this so that it's not automatically displayed as the front page to your website. So I'm just going to click on rename, and I'm going to rename it to offer.html. And I'm going to show you later that you can still access this page, but you just have to do .com/offer.html in order to get there. So if you're going to use that for pay-per-click campaigns, that's absolutely fine. The second thing that we need to do is we need to change Jonathan's existing blog, which is jonathandriver.com/blog, to just jonathandriver.com. Now currently Jonathan's blog doesn't have much in it. He has one that's created, but he hasn't added any content, so that's fine. We don't need to carry anything across. We can just delete this existing blog and create a new one. So to delete an existing blog, we need to go back into cPanel and click on Fantastico. Fantastico is the script that we use to install WordPress or to remove WordPress installations. So once you're into Fantastico, click on the actual word WordPress rather than the dot next to it, and that's actually going to bring up a summary of all of the current existing WordPress installations. So there's one on an add-on domain, and this one /blog is for jonathandriver.com. So I'm actually going to remove this. Click on Remove WordPress, and back to WordPress Overview, and that's actually done. See, it's no longer there anymore. So I'm actually going to now create a new installation, jonathandriver.com. I'm going to leave this blank because it's going to go onto the main domain. I'm going to type in a username and password, which is just a temporary one. We're going to put a real email address that will reach Jonathan. That's important because if you forget your password, this will send you a reminder to that email address. And then I'm going to click on Install. And just as you've done before, that's going to install a brand new WordPress installation at jonathandriver.com. And we could log in to it if we wanted to, and log into the WordPress interface if we wanted to. There we go, and it's another WordPress interface. And so what we've now done is we've installed a WordPress blog at jonathandriver.com. If I put this down, you can see the domain I'm at, jonathandriver.com, and that is the WordPress blog ready for us to customize as we do normally. If I want to go to the squeeze page, I simply type in offer.html, and this is now where Jonathan's squeeze page is. So, to sum up, that is how you can change your WordPress installation and to your root domain and move your original squeeze page from your root domain to a subfolder. And that's it. Good luck.